Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix error to the system cannot find the file specified in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and by that, you would be able to open the small window called Run, where here you need to type for regedit. Again, type for regedit and click on OK to continue. There will be a notification of user account control asking you to say yes. Simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to open this window. We're here, you need to paste a path link or you can follow this path link. Just simply post this video so that you can copy it. Anyway, I'll be including this at the description box below, so no worries for that. Okay, once you have copied it, paste it here at the address bar, Control V to paste and click on enter. And once you are here at the services, okay, you need to minimize this window first and you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser. So simply double tap your Google Chrome browser or whatever browser that is available in your laptop or computer, you can use such. Okay. Here you need to copy a link which I'll be including at the description box below. So just have to copy it. It is under Microsoft.com website and it is a file that you need to download in order to proceed. Okay. Paste it here at the address bar or Windows address bar and click on enter and wait until you are being redirected to the result. Okay, so you will be able to be redirected at this mediafire.com website where it has this attachment link where you can download services dash fixer. Now simply click on download and it will only take less than a minute to do so since it only contains 269.72 GB in your laptop. Okay, so download it. In my case, I have already downloaded such. Once you have downloaded it, moved it here at the desktop or at the desktop location and simply close the browser and go back to your registry editor. Okay. So here you need to select your services key, go with file, click on it, and go with import. So here in this location, you need to proceed with desktop and you need to select the file that you have downloaded earlier. Okay. So simply double tap to it. Find it here. And once you have find it, okay, if you can't see any of that here, you can simply scroll down and look for it. Okay, so let us go with our local disk with our users. Okay, go with our downloads and look for the file that we have downloaded here a while ago. Once you have the I mean once you have find it, click on open. Okay, and if you don't see any, don't worry, we just have to copy it here. Okay. Control C. Do a right click, then go with the scissor icon. Okay. And select your new folder, double tap to it, or any folder that you have. Do a right click and go with paste. Once you have pasted it here, close this window and go back to your registry editor. We're here, you need to select on services again. Click on file, go with import. Okay. Go with the desktop, go with new folder. Okay. And here you need to select the folder that you have pasted. Once done, click on open. Okay. And click on yes to import. Okay. So the moment you have imported it, close this window and moved on to the next step. Okay. So our next step would be here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for services. The moment you have typed that, proceed with the best match and go with open to continue. Your user account control will ask you to say yes. Simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to open the window. We're here. You need to look for an option called Windows Audio. Let me just scroll down. Or simply select any of the system or service, type W and look for an option called Windows Audio Input Builder. Okay, so you need to do a right click, go with properties, and make sure that the startup type into is in automatic. Once you have set it into automatic, click on apply and then OK. Once you're done, close this window. Okay, and restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.